Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mudassar Ali and you are looking at my channel device Unlock Master. This one is a model ZTE 305ZT, so you can get it unlocked from us at home. To unlock it you must have a computer or laptop and it must have internet. We unlock it remotely and you don't even need to open the device. Just turn on the device and connect it to the computer with the help of a data cable. And then you have to contact us. We will unlock you remotely through DREK and TeamViewer software in just 10 to 15 minutes and you will pay the charges after work. So friends, what is the delay? Contact us now and get your work done at home.